Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that after making the high of 5250, gold came down sharply, gold retreated, okay, and after taking support around 5140, 5142 level, okay, market bounce. So right now the range of gold is 5250 and you can say 5140. This is the current range of gold right now. But if you look at the overall chart here, then obviously there is no doubt the market is bullish. Okay, so if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 5100. It means that if you're a swing trader, if you have a buy position on gold, you can put yourself below 5100 and continue to hold the position, because as long as market is trading over 5100, the more or less the market sentiment is bullish. If market breaks 5100 and market head towards 5000 level, then things will be critical, because 5000 level gave us a hard time. Okay, market was very much unpredictable. So if market breaks 5100, swing traders can exit from the buy position. Okay, now if you are looking for some fresh positions in the market, then obviously it will be better and safer for you to be on buy side only. But yes, okay, if market give us an opportunity, okay, we can also look for a sell around 4250, 4245. This is a level where you can look for a sell position. Okay, if you are a day trader, okay, if you're a day trader or if you're a scalper, you can look for a sell position around this area. Keep in mind, taking a sell position here will be going against the trend of the market. But as market fell sharply from 5250, I think that if the volume is not very high during the day, maybe sellers will be able to find another selling opportunity around the zone here. So when market will be approaching 5250, 5245 area, observe the market behavior. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position here. And one more thing I would like to add here is that the overall trend of the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. But look at these candles. The size of the candles are massive, humongous. So there is a possibility that market may go down below 5140 as well. I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal, because trend reversal is a different story. But yes, during the day, okay, if the volume comes up, for example, during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden drop on gold is going down with same size candles, then we can also look for a sell below 5140. Do not expect much. If you get one red candle on the 15-minute chart also, it is good enough. So we are looking for a sell around this area, and we are also looking for a sell below 5140 as well if market drops with high volume. But right now, if I zoom in, you can clearly see that the volume is not very high, small candles. So in a situation like this, chances of market going below 5140 is less. We can expect the volume to come during the US session only. So before US session, during the Asian session or the European session, if you see the market is slow, market is dull, then as a day trader, we can also look for a support around 5150. Because as we all know, to break any level, volume is extremely important. If volume is missing, then obviously market won't be able to go below that level. So one level or one zone, but two trading opportunities. If market takes support, we can look for a buy. If you see that market is going down with same selling pressure like yesterday, then not yesterday, or today morning, okay, we can look for a sell position, okay, below 5140. And as I have already said at the beginning of the video, that 5100, the dotted line that you see here, is going to be a crucial level, because this is a psychological support in the market. So if market takes support on 5100, we can look for a buy position. Okay, so let's wait and watch how does the market react, because if we look at the market sentiment now, you can see gold retraced. Gold fell below 5190 per ounce on Tuesday after 4 days of gains, as traders assess renewed tariff risk and persistent geopolitical uncertainty. The Trump administration is seeking to revive President Trump's global tariff agenda after the last week's Supreme Court decision struck down many levies imposed last year. So overall, the market is in uncertainty right now. So one more thing that you need to understand here is that stay in touch with the news. Any big news from the office of the US President Donald Trump, okay, will also bring a huge move. For example, if Donald Trump takes a drastic step regarding this sanctions and all, okay, or the trade tariffs, you will see gold going crazy again. So stay in touch with the news as well. There are lots of websites, so be in touch. And if you see, as I already said, if you see that market is dropping, market is coming down for some more retracement, as a day trader you can look for a sell below this area. So chances of market going below 5140 in the Asian session is very less because volume is not there in the market right now. As a day trader, you can look for a temporary bounce on a 5150. But in the US session, if you see the market is dropping suddenly, then you can look for a sell below 5140. Okay, and 5100, as I said, is going to play a crucial role. Okay. If market drops below 5100, then obviously market sentiment will change again. Let's see how does the market roll. And as I said, 5250 is the previous high of the market here. So if market goes up, we can look for a set around 524550 as well if market shows price rejection from above. Keep in mind, this is a trade, okay, that you need to be very fast. It means that you cannot take the sell position and forget about the trade, because trend of the market is still bullish, because you can clearly see on the chart. It is a trade where you can look for $15 or 150 pips easily, okay, if market drops, because I feel that there is a possibility that market may show some choppiness for the next 1 or 2 days. Let's wait and watch. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading platform, then you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets, because Vantage Market is trusted globally. It's a global brand. They have more than 5 million registered users and 1000 plus products, and you can see that their reviews are also awesome everywhere. So if thousands and thousands of people around the world are trusting and happily trading, then you can also consider opening an account with Vantage Market. Not only they are trading platforms like their own mobile application or their web application to trade are awesome, but they are also very safe. Okay, safety wise also Vantage is one of the best broker globally. So feel free to open your account with Vantage Markets. The link will be in the description. Use our link to open your account, and you'll also get access to our WhatsApp group as well. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.